Cruise ships have been likened to hotels. In fact, some people call them floating hotels. And things happen in cruise ships similar to what happens in hotels. It runs the gamut of all kinds of accidents. Slip and falls are extremely common because remember, unlike a hotel is static. A cruise ship is a tilting hotel. And if you've got a hazardous floor or a hazardous set of stairs or some other hazard, it's much more hazardous than the same condition would have been in a hotel. Cruise ship cases are different. They're not governed by Florida law. They're not governed by Mexican law if it's a cruise to Mexico. They're not governed by Bermuda if it's a cruise to Bermuda. They're governed by a set of laws called the General Maritime Law. So the first hurdle that most passengers are going to find is finding a qualified lawyer. They need to reach out and find that lawyer who's the right fit for the case. One of the first things that's unique about maritime law is you've got to file your cruise ship case fast. You've only got 6 months from the day of accident to notify the cruise line. And then you've got a year to file the case. Snap some photographs, if you can, of the hazard that caused your accident. Whether it's a defective chair, whether it's a slippery floor, whether it's an uneven floor. We see that sometimes because these ships, they're exposed to all kinds of moisture elements, and if there's any wood or teak or other surfaces, sometimes we see rippling effects in floors. Take a picture of it. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and that's certainly true in this context. Because cruise cases are unique and have extremely short, unusually short deadlines, pick up the phone and call the cruise injury law firm right away. Don't hesitate. Don't sit on your rights. Believe me, the cruise ships aren't sitting on their rights. They're already preparing the defenses.